How to use Simplii Financial app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Simplii Financial mobile app. So first, download the Simplii Financial app from the Play Store or App Store. Use your card number and password to log in. If you are new, tap register to set up your account. Once logged in, you will see your accounts on the dashboard, like checking or savings account and quick links for e-transfers and bill payments. To transfer funds, tap the transfer option. Select the accounts you are transferring from and to, and enter the amount and confirm. To pay a bill, tap Pay Bills, add or manage billing companies, select the biller, enter the amount, and confirm your payment. To deposit a check, use the e-deposit feature, snap a photo of the front and back of the check, and enter the amount and select the account to deposit into. You can view your e-statements or check your account info under the Profile section. You can also edit your contact details if needed. And that's how you use the Simply Financial app. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.